To transfer money with Tymebank, start by ensuring you have the Tymebank application installed on your mobile phone. Log into your account using your username and password. Then scroll through your profile to find the Send Money option. Next, select the recipient and provide their account number details and address. Enter the total amount to be transferred and agree to cover any additional costs. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's information, as transferring money to the wrong account is irreversible. Once you have verified the details, complete the transaction by pressing Send and verify the transfer by entering a PIN or biometric. When prompted, after completing the transaction, check your mobile's SMS for a confirmation message indicating that the recipient has received the money. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer money using Tymebank.